G'day Australia, Coram from Universalfuze here. This is just a very quick vid to let you know that Universalfuze has now merged with the tech giant Audiocom Mobile Electronics in Western Australia. Audiocom has been around for a long time and has been serving Western Australians for a very long time and is a huge retailer of mobile electronics and mobile telecommunications devices and solutions in Western Australia specifically, but also branching out now Australia-wide. Audiocom and Universalfuze have become one. There's some interesting rebranding going on where you'll see in the background with the launch of the new DIY-cademy, which is a joint venture with Audiocom and Universalfuze. So Universalfuze has been amassing quite an audience over the past decade or so and has helped literally hundreds of thousands of people with their DIY installs. And we've now joined forces with Audiocom, who are a huge retail partner, which will be developing and the brand and the new DIY-cademy much further in a much more concise way than it's ever been done before. So we'll be doing a lot more placement inside the stores. There'll be more education happening around techniques and skills in the DIY installation process, and more vehicle installation videos, more product packs with a bigger and better product range, and more items in stock. You'll be able to get any of the Universalfuze DIY packs from any of the Audiocom stores. And similarly, all the stuff you find on the Audiocom or Universalfuze website will be available in the Audiocom stores. Plus, all of the Audiocom brand channels will be available online at the Universalfuze store. So it's a very exciting merger. It's going to bring a lot of good things to both of the brands. And we're excited for what this brings with the new DIY-cademy, which is the new name of our online channel, which will head up all the videos for Audiocom and Universalfuze. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for following over the years. Thank you for the past decade of views. We've had literally, well, not quite 1 million yet, but we're getting very close to that many views. So thank you for all of the support, all of the purchases, all of your business in the past. It's been amazing, and things are only getting bigger and better in the future. See you again soon.